How to fix auto rotate not working on Android phone. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. This video right here provides you a quick tutorial on how to do so on your Android device. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. And these are some of the common fixes you can follow up. So you can swipe down from the top of your screen to access the quick settings panel and look out for the icon that says portrait or locked option. And you can just go and tap on it to change it to auto rotate like this and auto rotate it. This is one of the options available. Apart from that, you can restart the device. So hold your power button and look out for the restart option. A simple reboot also can fix the issue by refreshing the operating system. And some applications, particularly games on launcher, do not support this option or have their own settings that locks the orientation. So that may not work for everything. So you just need to go over and follow this method. Apart from that, you can enable home screen rotation as well. You can long press on the home screen and select the settings option here. And here, if we have an option of rotate to landscape mode, we can just go and turn on this option. And that should also do it for us. And also check for software updates. Go to settings for that. And once you are in settings, you can scroll down, look out for the option called software update and tap on it. And go ahead and tap on download and install it. That should also fix the bugs affecting the sensors. And if the sensor is damaged from the top, you can just go over and fix it to hardware store itself. The auto rotate may not work, so you can just go over and follow this method for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.